August 1st, 2026, 17496 East Williams room. We moved to the hottest room. We have the ceiling fan on normally and a box fan. The reading underneath the grill is 65. We're going to demonstrate how the air is flowing using a 6-inch strip of a grocery bag and a lighter, because there is hardly any air coming out of the ducts. That is how much the air is flowing, and only from that direction. Now a reading on the opposite wall. (76.8). We can do a reading on this wall. As you enter in, the wall would be, and that would be the wall directly underneath the duct. It's hard to see sometimes with the glare. Let's take it again. (76.5). But there's not much air flowing.